Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find a Google Drive folder ID. If you've ever worked with automation tools, Google Apps script, APIs, or even certain websites that ask for a Google Drive folder ID, this video will help you understand exactly where to find it. Don't worry, it's actually much easier than it sounds. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to locate the folder ID of any Google Drive folder in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Google Drive, navigate to the folder whose ID you want to find. This can be any folder, maybe a project folder, assignment folder, backup folder, or shared folder. Now double-click the folder to open it. The easiest way to find the folder ID is by looking at the URL in your browser's address bar. At the top of your browser, you'll see a long web address that looks something like this: drive.google.com/drive/folders/ followed by a long combination of letters and numbers. The part after folders/ is the folder ID. For example, if your URL looks like this, drive.google.com/drive/folders/1A2BC3D4E5F7, then the folder ID is 1A2BC3D4E5F7. So basically, the folder ID is the unique code at the end of the folder's URL. Now let me show you another quick method. You can also right-click the folder and click Get Link. Once the sharing link appears, you can copy the link and paste it somewhere like Notepad or a document. Again, the folder ID will usually appear after the word folders in the URL. This folder ID is very important for many advanced Google Drive tasks. For example, if you are using Google Apps script, connecting Google Drive with another application, using APIs, building automation workflows, or mounting specific folders in coding platforms like Google Colab, you may be asked to provide a folder ID instead of the folder name. Using the folder ID helps systems identify the exact folder even if there are multiple folders with similar names. Here's a quick tip. Make sure you copy the entire folder ID correctly without adding extra spaces or missing characters. Even one incorrect letter can prevent scripts or applications from finding the folder. Also, remember that if the folder is private, other users or applications may still need permission to access it, so sometimes you may also need to adjust the sharing settings depending on what you're trying to do. Another useful thing is that folder IDs usually stay the same unless the folder is deleted, so once you save the ID, you can reuse it later for scripts, automation, or integrations. And that's basically it. You just learned how to find a Google Drive folder ID quickly and easily by using the folder URL. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.